So once we are moving on, no, say if this is your first time watching my video on YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Na bibi anya kama. Ebusia fam mama kwa ba. Aha I tech intri. Na yesua send yesipa building mobile application from scratch using Flutter and Dart. Na and addition ye drew so no, ye drew addition a friend of functions. Now functions are very important. Now kamia is a function I say adie bi a say I mean when to me and tia say won to me and maybe function adie bi a akwai say wo boa bibia no na wa fa sa adie no once even say wo school bag na wo school bag a wo books wo bibia shem wo so no pa na wo school no answer wa fa school bag, right? So in this case wo bag ne be function ni mu no na obenya wo maths book or science book or past questions we ni nyina inside, right? So function send it here and assign the actual function kai medical catch or say sa avoid main way a function name main way nema qualify as a startup application, right? So see you use function you better outside. Now, creating a function, you use a keyword void. And I say, oh, I'll be to me actual function needing straight up, right? Make me actual say iSoft. Now, some of the side way about it qualifies to be called a function. A beam make me actual void original. Now, and also so me say it qualifies to be called a function. And yeah, don't go okay. Let me ask actually function. No matter say if you are iSoft. Then also my any say it qualifies to be a function. And I will explain for you to understand in no time. A beam yes I will be on my friend of void near use asynchronous programming and I say async, right? And also so egumu bebre using asynchronous programming make me say Ike. So I say instead say we we use something called asynchronous programming. But the moment I use asynchronous programming, see you see a print BB like print this is a function, right? Maybe I bahanum near because ABI when some print ABI this is another functional. Now we without async and I say async. But see baha near babetro print we na well it's an say a synchronous programming intino and I say a synchronous function intino we might need a wait keyword. So you bet me wait near print this is await function, right? Good. The reason why I'm a person would say Sanyoma we must send and say no matter what it takes, a nyoma be a ubishishia. Well, technically, we say, but I just want to show you say in case say will be use asynchronous, you have to understand so we use await keyword. Now, my main church show musenia we musifa ye juma. We the ebeba switchery. Share yemfan is say your print we were iSoft. Now, in our main void, see mia run. Near per se a printed this a year. At the end of it, we will just call iSoft like that. Say yape. Near mia run. And you see this is a function because function in the contain print this is a function. Yen share yen are the original near shade. So right after original, this is what is going to happen. About printed this is a function, this is another function, just right as you see there. Say any use functions or that more. Now when you ebia na one person obetro this is a function or direct. And no, how do we do it? Like, you see, instead of one person over children will have directing into my main paper with Namen Cho Semia and Wajuma is it here. Only a person a better wa, ye name at the cra nipan bachelor, so call it iSoftware. So in this case, no, iSoft ne bracket will ye be create a strange variable. Yen friend no, ebia name. We don't know ye name a din cra nipano or person printing. Inside hand ye be printing name. But you see, the moment I see a be printing name, near passing name strange variable one. On sa assign we as yamai. Or catch say one positional argument expected by iSoft, but zero found. Meaning say this is called a positional argument. Meaning say you're passing name wa, so technically it is looking for a name. Ewa. Right. So inside here, meet me say okay, cause this is a positional function. Now it becomes a correct function. It yemia runner. Then you see this is a positional function. This is much more making sense. Yen shadi. What did I yen shadi? If you create a function, void calculate, right? Now inside calculation we yen create an integer and I say double. Yen for double way x. Near another double yen friend y. Technically, you were x and y. You were x and y. Nice. So on x and y now, this is how we probably gonna do it. Right. So this is how we probably gonna do it. On see so you better say you better print it, print you. So you better print it x plus y. But you see, we don't know the value for x and we don't know the value for y. So technically, how are we going to fix this issue? Very simple. Now, you bet me have a call it calculate. Calculate, right? Now, inside the calculate, x value is saying y value is saying. You bet me I can say x near 20.35, comma y near saying 17.15. Right. So now 20 we need x and a we as we y. How beautiful is it? Yen testing it. And boom, we've done our calculation. We any a friend of function. But I say, won't subscribe to my YouTube channel now subscribe it. Oh, shame what TikTok and so on. Call YouTube now search for iTech in tree. Now subscribe it. Now if you follow this TikTok channel also. Yen share with next video so. I be kasa edia fa a year constructors on. All right, okay, that's it.